प्रार्थनया आरम्भं कुर्मः। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहम् कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम् कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। प्रपन्न पारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। सर्वेषां पुनः स्वागतं।
भुवनेश्वरी भगिनी,
अब chant this first.
ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः कर्मयोगः।
Then you can go to this 21st sloka.
Okay. यद्यदाचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तेवेतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तद्नु वर्तते।
Here tattadevetaro janaha.
तत्तदेवेतरो जनः.
Yes, each letter should be heard clearly.
Okay.
Here
लोकस्तद्
Logastadanuvartate.
लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
All da, everything is heard. Lokastadanuvartate.
लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
Yes, like that you must make all the letters very clear.
Okay, महोदय।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद।
अनुराधा एस भगिनी।
न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यं त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन नानवाप्तमवाप्तव्यं वर्तयेव च कर्मणि।
Here parthasti. Here this is a Mahaprana. So you must,
पार्थास्ति.
yeah. When you chant, it will be along with that. You should have this Mahaprana also. So it will be you make aware of that. You must make it Mahaprana. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद।
सुचिरा भगिनी। सुचिरा भगिनी।
यदि महोदय, यदि ह्यहं न वर्तेयं जातु कर्मण्यतन्द्रितः मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः। वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते.
This is ir, then itma. Vartmanuvartante.
Okay, Mode.
Okay.
Shall I chant again?
Yes.
Mama vartamanuvartante manushyaः partha sarvashah.
Not vartamana. It is vartmana. It is together. This ir is for this t and ma also. For both the ir is applicable. So vartmana.
Vartmana.
Yes.
Vartmana.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mode.
Okay.
Vartmanu vartante.
Vartmana. Okay. Here yedi hyaham. This is a samyukta akshara. Hyaham. Yedi hyaham na varteyam jatu karmanya tandritaha. This is yedi hyaham.
Yadihyaham.
Hyaham.
Yadihyaham.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
श्यामला भगिनी।
उत्सीते युरिमे लोकाः न कुर्यां कर्म चेतकं संगरस्य च कर्ता स्याम् उपहन्यामिमाः प्रजाः.
धन्यवादः, वेल् चाण्टेड्.
विजयकुमारी भगिनी.
स्नग्धा कर्मण्य विद्वांसः यथा कुर्वन्ति भारत कुर्यात् विद्वांस्तथा सक्तः संग्रहम्
This again,
सुकीर्षुर्लोकसङ्ग्रहम्
चिकीर्षु.
चिकीर्षुर्लोकसङ्ग्रहम्.
धन्यवादः, वेल् चाण्टेड्.
कविता भगिनी.
आम् भगिनि. न बुद्धिभेदं जनयेद् अज्ञानां कर्मसङ्गिनां क्षम्यतां महोदय. महोदय, can you tell Mहोदय? I'll repeat.
न बुद्धिभेदं जनयेद् अज्ञानां कर्मसङ्गिनाम्.
न बुद्धिभेदं जनयेत् अज्ञानां कर्मसङ्गिनां
जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन्.
जोषयेत् सर्वकर्माणि विद्वान् युक्तः समाचरन्.
धन्यवादः. Well, all these letters are known to you. Only thing is you have to make a little bit effort, that's all.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः.
Practice.
मधुसूदन राव महोदय.
प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहंकार विमूढात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते.
Yes, धन्यवादः.
Thank you, sir.
शारदा प्रसाद भगिनी.
तत्त्ववित्तु महाबाहो गुणकर्म विभागयोः गुणा गुणेषु वर्तन्ते इति मत्वा न सज्जते.
धन्यवादः, वेल् चाण्टेड्.
धन्यवादः.
बृंदा भगिनी.
प्रकृतेर्गुणसम्मूढाः सञ्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तान् कृष्णविदो मन्दान् कृष्णन् भिन्न विचालयेत्.
Here, this second pada, sajjante gunakarmasu.
Again, shall I repeat again, sir?
Yes, yes.
प्रकृतेर्गुणसम्मूढाः सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तान् कृष्णविदो मन्दान् भिन्न विचालयेत्.
Yes, Krishna binna vichalayet.
कृष्ण भिन्न विचालयेत्.
Yes, धन्यवादः.
Thank you.
JM अनुराधा भगिनी.
मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न्यस्याध्यात्मचेतसा निराशीर्निर्ममो भूत्वा युध्यस्व विगतज्वरः.
धन्यवादः, वेल् चाण्टेड्.
ललिता सीतारामन भगिनी.
Yes, ma'am. ये मे मत्तमिदन्नित्यम् अनुतिष्ठन्ति मानवाः श्रद्धावन्तो न सूयन्तः मुच्यन्ते तेऽपि कर्मभिः.
Here, I think you need to practice a little more, then only it will come a bit fluently. Anutishthandi. These words are a bit difficult. Unless you practice a few times, it will not come easily to your Shraddhavanto na suyantaha. This is one letter, one word for the full pada.
Shraddhavanto na suyantaha.
Yes.
Shraddhavanto na suyantaha.
Like that, if you practice a few times, then only it will come fluently to you.
Yes, sir.
धन्यवादः.
रेवती भगिनी.
ये द्वेदः व्यशूयन्तः नानुतिष्ठन्ति मे मतम् सर्वज्ञानविमूढांस्तान् विद्धि नष्टानसेतसः।
This first pada,
ये त्वेदप्यशूयन्तः।
once again, only this okay. Ye tvetadabhyasuyantaka. Yes, this pada is a bit difficult because there are ta and da are coming close by, so you have to be carefully. You must chant this, otherwise you will miss this da or something else. You will miss. Ye tvetadabhyasuyantaha. Ye
tvedapyasuyantah.
Yes, like that you
Okay.
will practice a few times.
Okay, thank
The
you.
difficult pada, that is. Dhanyawad.
राधा SK भगिनी
सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः प्रकृते ज्ञानवानपि प्रकृतिं यान्ति भूतानि निग्रहः किं करिष्यति।
Dhanyawad. Well chanted. Well chanted.
नागपद्मजा भगिनी
इन्द्रियस्येन्द्रियार्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ तयोर्न वशया गच्छेत् तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ।
Here, tayorna vashama gachet.
तयोर्न वशमागच्छेत्
Tvau hyasya paripanthinau. Hyasya.
तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ।
Yes, this is hyasya. Hyasya paripanthinau.
तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनौ।
Yes, here this is one word is full pada, so you must practice it in few times, then it will come quickly. Otherwise you'll have to search for the letters.
ललिता श्रीधरन् भगिनी
श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात् स्वधर्मे निधनं श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः।
धन्यवादः. Very chanted.
R विजयलक्ष्मी भगिनी
अर्जुन उवाच अतः केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पुरुषः अनिच्छन्नभिवाष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः।
Here athakena prayuktoyam. Here there will be ditvam will be there.
अतः केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं चरति पुरुषः पुरुषः
No. Purushah. Yes, you can see dikha and this is hraswa.
पुरुषः
Yes. Yes.
अनिच्छन्नभिवाष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः।
Anichannabi. This is a mahaprana. So
अनिच्छन्नभिवाष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः।
yeah. Now by chanting 2-3 times you are becoming more fluent. So by chanting number of times yourself you will get it. You will come much more fluently. It will come to you.
धन्यवाद.
With the mahaprana, don't forget to include the mahaprana effect. Okay.
गीता NS भगिनी
श्री भगवानुवाच काम एष क्रोध एषः रजोगुणसमुद्भवः महासनो महापाप्मा विद्येन मिह वैरिणम्।
Dhanyawadaha. We can stress this mahapranas little more. Sri Bhagavanuvach, and you should not stress other letters. Shri Bhagavanuvach.
श्रीभगवानुवाच
काम एष क्रोध एषः.
रजोगुणसमुद्भव
Yeah, you must chant this Mahapranas.
रजोगुणसमुद्भव
Samudbhavah.
रजोगुणसमुद्भवः
Samudbhavah.
रजोगुणसमुद्भवः.
No, actually, if it is Alpa Prana only, when you come to Bha, you must make it Mahaprana.
रजोगुणसमुद्भवः
Rajoguna samudbhavah.
रजोगुणसमुद्भवः.
Yes, that with practice it will come.
Okay.
This up to this Alpa Prana, then Sharadi Mahaprana. So like that it will come, by practice it will come.
Padma Venkateshwaran Bhagini.
धूमेन व्रियते वह्निः यथा दर्शोत्मलेन च यथोल्लभेन वृतो गर्भः तथा तेनेदमावृतम्.
धन्यवादः.
Thank you.
धन्यवादः.
Sarangi Mahodaya. Sarangi Mahodaya.
आवृतं ज्ञानमेतेन ज्ञानिनो नित्यवैरिणा कामरूपेण कौन्तेय दुष्पुरेण नलेन च.
Here, first you can chant this first once again. First this pasam.
आवृतं ज्ञानमेतेन.
Yeah. Avrutam jnanamatena. Jnanametena. Avrutam. That you can little bit more.
Avrutam jnanametena.
Yes.
Jnanino nityavairina.
Vairina, it is Dirgha.
Jnanino nityavairina.
Kamarupena
kaunteya. Duspurena nalena cha. Nalena cha.
Duspurena nalena cha.
Duspurena nalena cha.
Because this is a Dirgha and this Re is also a Dirgha. And this Le also a Dirgha. Duspurena
nalena cha.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
All these are Dirghas, so you must bring that in.
Shailaja Bhagini.
Indriyani mano buddhi rasyaadhisthanamuchyate ethairvimohayatyeshaha jnanamavritya dehinam.
Dhanyavadaha. Here buddhihi. Buddhihi.
Buddhihi.
Asyadhisthana muchyate. Here this is a Mahaprana, this is a Mahaprana. So you must remember it and you must chant that. Can you chant this?
Indriyani mano buddhihi asyadhisthana muchyate.
Adhisthana muchyate.
Asyadhisthana muchyate.
Buddhi. Asyadhisthana muchyate.
Asyadhisthana muchyate.
Okay. Asya. Okay. Dhanyavada. Dhanyavada.
Asya.
Remember this. Asyadhisthana muchyate.
Uma Raghavendra Rao Bhagini.
तस्मात् त्वमिन्द्रियान् यादौ नियम्य परदर्शव पाप्मानं प्रजहिह्येनं ज्ञानविज्ञाननाशनम्.
Dhanyavadaha. Only this Mahapranas you should make it a bit more clear. Bharatarshabha.
Bharadarshava.
Bharatarshabha.
Bharadarshava.
Yes. While chanting, you may not remember it and you will just Bharadarshabha, you will chant like that. But you must, because also marked here. So you can remember and just chant Mahaprana. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha.
Chandrika Venkatraman Bhagini.
Indriyani paranyahuhu इन्द्रियेभ्यः परं मनः मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिः यो बुद्धिः परतस्तु सः.
धन्यवादः. Well chanted. Yo buddhev. Buddhev.
यो बुद्धेः परतस्तु सः.
Here, indriyani paranyahuhu. If you say indriyani paranyahuhu, that will become dirgha. This will become dirgha. So indriyani paranyahuhu. This is no diktum here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Dhanyawad.
Ratnamala Bhagini.
एवं बुद्धेः परं बुद्ध्वा संस्तभ्यात्मानमात्मना जहि शत्रुं महाबाहो कामरूपं दुरासदम्.
धन्यवादः. Well chanted. Well chanted.
Jayalakshmi Babji Bhagini. Hello, sir. Which from
This-
first or
This is this.
which
Concluding.
one, sir? Sorry.
Concluding this.
Oh, conclude.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I will try. Iti Srimad Bhagavat
Yeah.
Bhagavat.
Om Tat Saditi.
Om Tatsatiti. Om Tatstatiti.
Yes.
Iti Srimad Shalai.
Yes.
Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Karma Yoga. Sir, I'm
Karma Yogo Nama.
Karma Yogo Nama Tritiyodhyayah.
Okay. Dhanyawadaha. Well chanted. Dhanyawadaha. Now we'll start from the beginning. We have few more minutes. Or if you have any doubts, further doubts.
Yes, sir, I have, sir. Sir, Jayalakshmi here. At times we are using that is yema mid instead of yim. It is used as in. That is 31. Yeme first pata. Yeme madamidam. It is yim is there. Shall we say it as in or im is correct?
Both are correct.
Both are correct. So anywhere it is like that.
Everywhere it is like that.
Oh,
So-
everywhere it is like. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mahoday.
This is one word, another word. So, but it is in one pada. So, but is one word, two different words. So you can matamidam nityam you can sell or matamidan nityam. Then this will become the whole pada will become one. Ye me matamidan nityam, or it will become ye me matamidam nityam, like that. Everywhere is like that.
Padma Bhagini. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. I will call your name one by one.
We can start the 4th chapter.
No, any doubts relating to the pronunciation in the sloka?
Pronunciation.
No other doubts.
Because the same thing you will encounter in future chapters also. So if you clear it then you will not have the doubts at all in the future chapters. All these things are make it very clear so that future also you will have the same types of slokas with all these Mahapranas and Hrasvas, Dirgha and this Visarga, Upadmaniya, Jukhamulya, all this, it will be repeatedly it is like that.
Radha S.K. Bhagini.
Any doubts you can clear.
Could you please read second pada of 33?
33.
Yeah.
Yes, 33. Yeah. This one, huh?
Yeah.
Prakriti yanti bhutani Nigrahah kim karishyati.
No. Second pada.
The second, this one.
Okay. Prakrute.
Jnanavanapi.
Okay, do we add some J sound or something to that in between or not required?
Yeah.
After Prakrute, before Jnanavanapi. Between Prakrute and Jnanavanapi, is there any sound that we add like J sound or?
No, irrisam. Prakriter Jnanavanapi.
Irra sound, is it?
Yes, because there is a visarga here. Visarga here, Prakriter Jnanavanapi.
Okay, Prakriter Jnanavanapi.
So it is combined and is made as Prakriter Jnanavanapi.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Prakriter Jnanava. But then this should be heard. When you chant, it should be heard. Prakriter Jnanavanapi. Yes, it should be heard.
Radhika Kumara Bhagini.
Mahadaya, I have one doubt. In 28th sloka, second line, Guna Guneshu Vartante is correct or otherwise Vartante is correct.
Which
28. 28 second line, third pada. 28.
28, huh? Yes.
Guna Guneshu Vartante. Iti matva na sajjate.
Yes.
Vartante is correct or otherwise Vartante is correct.
Vartante.
Okay.
Guna Guneshu Vartante. Iti matva na sajjate.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Can I ask 21 shloka?
Just one minute, Bhagini. Lalita B. Bhagini.
Sir, 34th sloga, Indriyasya, ಅದು ಕೊಂಚ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸರ್. ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಸ್ಯಾರ್ಥೆ.
Indriyasyantriyasyarthe. Indriyasyarthe.
Indriyasyarthe yartade.
Ragadvesho vyavasthitau. Vasamagachet.
Vasamagachet.
Tau hyasya paripanthinau. Tau. Yes. Here, this is a long word. And pada, one pada, and at the end you are getting this Mahaprana. So it will be difficult for you after chanting all this. At the end you have to raise your sound, this thing, Mahaprana. So Indriyasyarthe. So that is a bit challenging. So you have to practice this.
Practice that.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Kavita Bhagini.
Mahodaya, in sloka 10, Mahodaya, Saha Yajñaf.
Yes.
Saha Yajñaf Praja Srishta Purova Srishtva. Srishtva.
The ish and wa.
Srishtva.
Half sh, half t and wa. Srishtva. Yes.
Astu Mahodaya. And Parovacha, after that there is a Ditvam.
Purovacha Prajapatihi. Here there is a Ditvam will come. Purovacha Prajapatihi.
So that of sound should come there, no more.
Here where?
Purovacha if
Prajapati. No, if is. No, if Purovacha Prajapati, that's all.
Purovacha and the Ditvam and then Prajapati.
Purovacha Prajapatihi. So some sort of if will come here, but not if will not come. If will not come, only comes p.
Prajapati.
If like that. Purovacha Prajapatihi.
Okay, and then the next line also, Mahodaya.
Huh?
Anena
Prasavishyadhvam.
Dvam. Okay, and we separate that into Dvam, Esha.
Dvam.
Dvam.
Here, you see, you can count here. This is 3 plus 3, 6. And this yum is not considered at the end.
Oh.
So you have 8 letters. Anena prasavishyadhvam. So here
8
the
letters.
pada is ending.
Astu Mahodaya.
Pada is ending. Yeshavostvishta kamathuk.
Oh, Esha Vo will come again. That will be 8 letters for the next pada.
Yes, it will be 8 letters. 3 plus then this whole thing will be 1 letter.
Oh, okay, okay,
2,
Mahodaya.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The ik will not come because
It will not.
so you can leave that. Others will be 8 will be there.
Okay, Mahodaya.
And
Then
these are all samyukta aksharas. Is, t, b. So like that, many will come. Dwa, ishya, and together they come prasavishyadhvam. So here you see ishya, idwa. So pronunciation is you have to exert and pronounce clearly so that it is heard clearly. Prasavishyadhvam, ishya, idwa. And like that, istwa, ishta, like that. So everywhere it is samyukta akshara. So you have to be careful. Practice it will bring everything with practice. You will get it. Okay. Yes.
Mahodaya.
Yes.
12th sloka, 3rd pada.
Which?
Third
sloka.
12th pada. 12th sloka, 3rd pada.
Yes.
Tairdatana pradayabhyaha.
Yes. Here also like ditvam will say tairdatana pradayabhyaha.
Yo bhunkte stena eva saha.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Here itself it will come 8 letters will come, and here it will come 8 letters.
Okay.
1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No bhunkte stena eva saha.
Yo bhunkte stena eva saha.
Yes.
Dhanyavadam.
Bhunkte, these are all dirgha, stena, dirgha.
Kushala Bhagini. Dhanyavadam.
Sir, 23rd one, 23 shloka. It is yadi yam ham vartan.
Yadi yaham na varteyam.
Yadi yam na varteyam. Yaham. Yaham. Yadi yaham na varteyam. Correct?
Yes. Varteyam.
Varteyam. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yaham. Because it is a bit difficult to pronounce this. Yadi yaham na varteyam.
Yeah, it is very difficult.
Yes, some people, but you can by practice it will come. There is nothing that will not come with practice. So just practice. This is again complicated. Vartmanu vartante. And itma. Like that, there will be so many samyukta aksharas. So there we have to be careful while pronouncing.
Mahodaya, அது மாதிரி இந்த தித்துவம் எஃப் இப்பு போடணுமா மகோதயா இல்ல எஃப் சவுண்ட்ல சொல்ல?
எஃப் வந்தானே விசர்க்க இருக்கணும்.
ஓ.
விசர்க்க அப்புறம் தான் இஃப் வரும்.
ஓகே. சாதாரணமா நம்ம இப்பு தான் போடணும்.
if there is a தித்துவம்.
ஓகே. அப்ப விசர்க்க வந்தா மட்டும் எஃப் சவுண்ட்ல சொல்ல.
ஆமா.
ஓ, தன்யவாதம்.
Yes.
Any other doubts? You can unmute yourself and ask. Astu tari samapayamah Mahodaya. Shanti.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Dhanyavadaha Punarmilamaha.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada
Mahodaya.